got the Sophie and Toffee June Elves box, and the last box was board games. So yeah, and I actually don't know the theme of this month. I think I might have saw and I was excited about it, but I can't remember it right now, so that's good. So it's like a surprise, like a birthday present, which is what I love about this Sophie and Toffee box. Is like, it's like a monthly birthday present. Like each month you get something fun to make. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's see what's in here. It's black again. Woo. So pretty. I do like the black box. I think it's just adorable. Okay. All right, here it is. What's inside? Good vibes. Okay, we all can use some good vibes, so I like that. It's very pretty. It's got like geode kind of things, and we've got light pink, dark pink, and white. What is this? Is that incense holders? I think they're in. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself, but I do like this theme. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so tutorials and ideas. Here's all Sophie and Toffee's info. Important tips. Always read that. Worry stones. I love worry stones. I got a few from Ireland when I was there, and oh, I'm so excited. Yes, and bezels. Oh, I love them. Here's some embeds, so design film. They're exclusive. So I think that means you can only get it with the box. And then UV resin for silicone molds. I've never tried that kind of resin. And then Fairy Garden July box. The next box is a fairy garden. What? Yes. Okay. For the movie that I made, that I directed, I did like a little dollhouse, but it was kind of like this. It was like a fairy dollhouse, and maybe I can put pictures in for you guys, but yeah, it was very much fairy themed, and I'm working on 5 of my own personal short films that are all fairy related in some way, fairy tale related, but this is gonna be so cute. A cute box coming your way. Fairy doors, fairy wings, 3D mushrooms are the exclusive items in the box. Don't miss it. And here are the February challenge winners. So this was the snow globe box, and you've probably already seen these if you're on Sophie and Toffee's Instagram, but super cute. I really love this one, and the little Pac-Man shaker, so cute. And this birthday photo, how adorable is that? They're all cute, you know. Who am I kidding? So congratulations to them. Did I just jump through it and go to the back? I did. Okay. Anyways, this is what we got. I already went through this part. Then we get this Hamasa hand silicone mold. I hope I'm saying that right. Lotus candle holder. Oh, that's going to be gorgeous. Color shift pigment powder. Mica powder. And we've got golden something, lavender and black. It seems like we keep getting the black powder, but use it a lot. So gold crushed glass, premium items. Vanilla, this is what I was excited. Vanilla scented crystal LED resin. I'm so curious what that smells like. And the incense holder mold. All right. And then, oh, here's the little coupon code for 15% off. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know what to make. Decisions. So this is part of the premium, and it's the incense holder mold. Where's this? like I said, this is totally like getting birthday presents once a month, and I think you should treat yourself. So if crafting is what you're into, you should get a Sophie and Toffee box. There's also other different craft boxes, but I love Sophie and Toffee because I like resin crafting. But anyways, so that's that. I'm gonna keep this off to the side in case I want to reference it. Here are the mica powders. So golden blue, huh? I'm curious to see what golden blue looks like. Black and lavender. I actually don't have this color, so that's really cool. So Crafty Gallery UV resin. I wonder what makes this different. We'll have to see. Oh, cute. The little lotus. Oh, that is adorable. So cute. Color shift pigment. See that blue to gold shift. So pretty. Look at this guy. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at this mold. Oh, this makes up for last month kind of not being one of my favorite boxes. And here are the worry stones. So you've got like, they look almost, these two look like eyes. And then a heart. And like a teardrop and an oval. And then here's the embeds. And they're definitely hollow. And here, okay, so I gotta smell it. I know you shouldn't go around sniffing resin, but oh my gosh. It smells like, oh, it kind of reminds me of like being a teenager. Wow, that brings me back. Weird. Reminds me of my friend Chelsea from growing up. I don't know why. Maybe she wore a perfume that was similar to that. I don't know. And then these are the bezels as I drop them. These are the bezels. So let's see what we've got here. So this is like a person sitting in the yoga position, and then these are all the different chakra points. And then we've got a lotus, and then we've got this thing that is either like a knife or a lady part or a male part, because they're actually quite similar. And the hand, the tree. This is kind of cool because you could actually hang things off of the different points. Like make it a center point. Oh, let's see how many there are. So we need 6. Oh, you need one more. Although this could be like the top loop. Like to a keychain, and then these ones could hang off of it, but that would get kind of gaudy quickly. But oh, they're really cute. I like them. Okay, and then gold flakes, or what do they call these in here? Crushed glass. So yeah, that is the Good Vibes June Elves box. So let's make a little something, shall we? All right, so I decided I'm going to do a worry stone, and I'm going to use one of these in it, and I'm going to use the vanilla scented Sophie and Toffee resin, so I can let you guys know if it still smells after it's cured. And I'm going to use this color shift that came with it. So, and I think I'm going to back it with one color, but I haven't decided quite yet, but the base will be clear. So let's pick one of these. Maybe we could hold it over and see what looks cool. That one looks cool. I'm going to go with that one. So let's peel this part off. And I actually have never embedded one of these films. I don't think that I can remember. So this will be my first time doing that. I'm gonna cut off a lot of this excess plastic. So you gotta be careful. I actually just snipped off too much, so I'm going to go with a different one. Let's just use this one. So be careful when you're cutting it. Learn from my mistakes. Okay, there we go. That's pretty. Which one should we do? Is that, they kind of look like dragon eyes. This one. Although I'm super drawn to hearts, but let's do the heart. We're going to do the heart, but I'm going to use this and I'm going to coat around, not the center area, hopefully, just around the edges. Oh my gosh, is that not iridescent perfection? Love, 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 and it's already all over everything. So, get that in there. Oh, it's already on the center part. Okay. Oh well. That's okay. Iridescent things are always better, right? I'll just try and not add too much to the center. So I coated the inside with the color shift, and I think I'm going to add this little gemstone to the back. So I'm going to do a thin layer of the vanilla. Oh wow, that really has a strong smell. Probably get that once. Okay, now I'm going to cure it. While that's curing, I'm just going to mix up some regular UV resin to do the backing. So I'm just going to use the black that came in the box, and I'm going to mix it with regular UV resin. Okay, so I'm going with this just regular crystal, clear crystal now, sorry. And I'm going to use this Let's Resin opal, magic opal color. All right. a little more of this. I don't want to use all of it. So that's the last time I'm going to add that. I'm just going to do enough to embed that in there. Okay, here we go. This is where I could mess things up. You know, to like help it like stay back, just put like a little more regular stuff around the stone. Back. Okay, here. We'll see what we got. Alright, so it's good and cured. I'm going to add the black back layer, and I wanted to note that this black is not very pearlescent compared to a lot of mica powders, or at least it isn't right now. Let's see once it's cured. I'll show you the back, but we got the bubbles. That's good. And let's add some more. So black, hopefully it'll cure. All right, here it is, a little worry heart. And I let it cure nice and long. Oh, is that not pretty? Smells vanilla. Wow, that's so weird. Why don't they make all resin smell good? Alright, so yeah, that's our worry stone. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate that you took time out of your day to spend with me. Please like and subscribe for more crafty content, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful summer. Take care. Bye.